Canada's north, 3 territories. Canada's north includes 3 territories: Yukon, Northwest Territories, and Nunavut. This is Yukon Territory. Yukon Territory is mountainous and has a lot of mining. This is the Northwest Territories. You can often see the northern lights in the NWT. This is Nunavut. Nunavut is a very large territory with many islands.